Okay, I'm not going to discuss in depth about agile model here. Okay, it will take much more time to discuss with that, and that thing is not required also. Okay, here agile model is, I will tell you in a practical or real life the thing. After that, I will going into particular whatever the functionalities available in agile thing and what all the terminology we are going to use it. Initial level, how much you need it. I am going to tell you that thing. Okay, means here agile model is first I will start with initially take the cricket. Take the cricket matches which is earlier and nowadays the cricket. Okay, means in earlier days we have test match, right?
Yeah.
In test match, how many days it will take to complete?
5 days.
5 days, right? If you want to see the result, how many days you want to wait? 5 days, right?
5 days, yeah.
At least you have to wait 3 or 4 days to finalize that which team will get means will get win. If you want to get or if you want to expect the things, at least you have to wait up to 3 days or 4 days, right?
Yeah, correct.
To see the result, you have to wait for 5 days. Okay. Take the next generation cricket is nothing but one day cricket, right?
Yeah.
50 overs. You have any idea regarding cricket?
I love it, my friend. I love it.
Okay. Then one day cricket, going to the one day cricket, here how much time it will take to complete the things? Most probably 8 hours or 10 hours, right? Most probably 8 hours, around 8 hours it will complete, right? You have to wait 8 hours to see the results. Whether it is winning or not, you have to wait up to 8 hours and you have to see the result. Means it is taking 8 hours time. And after that, the next generation of cricket is 2020, right? 2020 cricket. In 2020 cricket, how much time? Most probably 4 hours, right?
Correct, yeah.
To see the result, it will take 4 hours.
Well, it depends because if India is playing, sometimes we know that in 1 hour we got like in 2 hours we got a result.
Means you can result means I'm not speaking about the expectations.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, means okay. Means I am telling you the thing reason. I am reasoning that. Okay, means this 4 hours. At that point of time, we are going to trust that we have means every time as a per India we are going to we have to support India, right? There's an obvious thing.
Absolutely.
Means we have to support India. That is different. Okay, that is the conditional. Until unless thing, it is you have to support India. That is the thing, right? Okay, here 4 hours will take for see the result from 2020 cricket. Okay, like that means which one means nowadays generation which one will prefer by you? Which type of cricket you need? Means
usually 2020,
right? It gets famous right now. Okay, means the people are not having that much time to stay and see the particular cricket for 5 days.
Correct, yeah.
Or 8 hours. Nowadays the time is very valuable, right? Means before days we have some much more time to see all the things, but now the time is money. Okay, that means it is a generation has converted like that. Means like that only the software industry has converted like that. Before days, if you take for waterfall model or any D model, if you want to see the result, means you have to wait up to 3 months or 4 months to complete. After completion of the project, it is possible to see the results, right? Means I'm repeating you one more time. If you take waterfall model or V model, okay, when the customer is going to see the result after completion of total project, right?
Correct, yeah.
Yep. Means at that point of time, customer has paying the money and he is not seeing any result. and after completion of the total project, they are showing the particular application. At that point of time, he will feel, if he feel that, oh, means I didn't expected this particular application like this, I need application some other way, like that. If he is telling, means it's a waste of time, right? It's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. Okay, means that is the thing related to the test match. After that, one day cricket came into picture. Nothing but, I will tell you, I will compare with a small size application, any institute application. For suppose you have one institute, you are maintaining one institute, for that you need one application. Okay, means you reached three companies, three different companies. Okay, first company has told you that, okay, it will take 1 lakh rupees to develop this application, and it will take 3 months time to complete this project. Okay, means I will show you the application after completion of three months. You are receiving the application after 3 months, and you have to pay before that only 1 lakh rupees. They have given the plan like that to you, and you reach it to the second company. Okay, what they told means they have divided that, okay, into 3 parts. Okay, the particular project or a institute application they have which they have given to them, they have divided that particular application into 3 modules. They told that, okay, again, means they also given you offer for 1 lakh only, and they told that divide the amount also into 3 parts, and monthly I will give you the part. Means they have divided 3 modules, right? For first month they will deliver the module 1, and the customer should pay the 1/3 part of the amount. For second month they will deliver the module 2. After that, the customer should pay the next 2/3 of the money. After that, third module they will deliver in third month. They will deliver the particular third module, and after that, customer has to pay the remaining amount. They have given the plan like this. Okay, he reached to the third company. Okay, after going on that, what he has do means nothing but every day we are going to contact with you. Means after completion of every day of the particular programs or whatever the application development, every day in daily basis we are going to interact with you. Okay, means the charge is same thing, 1 lakh. Okay, it will take 3 months application it will take to develop. Means I will interact with you every day. Okay, they have given the offer like that. Okay, which offer you are going to take? You got it right, what I am explaining now?
Yeah, I know what you're trying to say. Yeah.
Which company you are going to select?
I'm going to go with it, company 3, because I will have a better clarity about what this company is making for me, and also the payment plan is also makes sense as well.
Right? Means that is nothing but agile model here. Okay.
So in agile model, company will client will have a clarity about how the what you call it, how's their product or a project company is making. It's just like building our house. So like step by step, we can see how our house going to look like, rather than having a surprise after 6 months down the line, and then we'll say actually I didn't like this color, I wasn't expecting this and that and all this bit. So
yes, exactly what you are saying, that is correct. Means instead of doing means what you told about surprise, not like a surprise, means they are seeing the application in a daily basis, right? Means if you want to change, if you need any changes at that point of time only he will tell, and modifications also will getting some easier way, right? It will take much more easy to modify the things. Okay, that is nothing but agile process. Okay, going into the technicality, you understood, right? You got an idea regarding agile model.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
Yes.
And actually, it will also help in terms of delivering a better customer satisfaction too, because then customer after finishing the product or a project, customer will be much more happy, because he was in a constant loop since since we started the project.
Yes, exactly. He will get much more clarity, right? What is going on inside the project. Means if you are
Yeah,
interacting on daily basis, he will get satisfied every day. Means if you are doing or not doing, or if you are giving in a perfect way, maybe other companies may giving you more than you, but they will trust you only. They will give importance to you only because you are giving daily basis interaction with the customer and you are asking that every day. Means we developed this work, we did this work, just clarify about this. Means we are taking the responsibility to the customer to tell that. Means if the at the finalization of the project, after delivering the project, he should not allow to do or any show. It is there is no right to him to point a finger on the project, right?
absolutely. Yeah.
This is the major advantage of agile model. Okay, according to the means what they will do means in technicals or otherwise going into the technicals, what is the thing will be going on means project. Okay, they will take the project. After taking the project, they will decide, they will divide into small modules. Okay, small, again the module will be changed, again the module will be divided into sub modules. Okay, and to according to that they will decide that which is a executable component, nothing but a smaller thing. Okay, that is called technical way as a sprint. Okay, it's nothing but small requirement. Okay, sprint is nothing but a small requirement. Okay, they will divide the project into sprints. Sprint is nothing but a requirement or the particular small module. You got it right?
So it's just like units, right?
In a simple words, you can say it as unit also. Means it depends upon the situation. Means every sprint should deliver most probably in 2 to 3 weeks maximum. They will take 3 weeks of time to deliver the sprints. Okay, sprint delivery time most probably it will take 2 to 3 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. Okay, means depends
And
upon the sprint.
who will be involved in sprints? Is it like a
One by one I will tell you. One by one I'm introducing you. Okay, they will divide the project into sprints. Okay, the delivery of the thing will be most probably it will take 3 weeks. Okay, depends upon the complexity of the sprint. Okay, means in the sprint, okay, who means after dividing the particular project into sprints, they will assign to the teams. Okay, we have lot many teams in a particular agile process. Again, the resources are needed very more. Okay, means here the need of the resources are very high. Means they have to recruit more people again. Okay, they have to divide the teams. Okay, in every team, most probably 5 to 6 people are there. 5 to 6 members in every team. Okay, in every team, maximum to maximum, they will maintain 5 to 6 people. Depends upon the, I'm telling you one more time, depends upon the complexity of the sprint. Okay, maximum they are going to maintain 5 to 6 people in a particular team. Okay, that team in technical way they will call it as Scrum team. Means just in a simple words I'm telling you for your remembering purpose, sprint is nothing but a small modules. Okay, here that means in your team definitely for every testing a project there is a team, right?
yeah.
For developing or testing there is a teams. They will, what they will do means they will divide the teams. Means to develop the sprints in a parallel way or to develop the modules in a parallel way, they will divide the particular persons into teams, different teams. Okay, after dividing the teams, those teams as called as Scrum teams. Scrums, they will call it as Scrum. Okay, Scrum is nothing but a team. Okay, in Scrum, what all the members will come means most probably they will assign 2 or 3 developers, depends upon the situation. Okay, 2 or 3 developers, and most probably what means depends upon the project complexity of this sprint. They are going to assign 1 or 2 testers. Okay, 1 or 2 testers they are going to assign. Okay, means according to this anyway the particular team leader will be there, right, to handle the team, okay, to responsible to the team. One member will be there, team lead, okay. Technically, he can call it as Scrum Master.
Okay.
Okay. Scrum Master will lead the particular team. Scrum Master will lead the team. Okay, means 3 weeks maximum time it will take to deliver the sprint. On daily basis, okay, 2 meetings will be done. Two meetings. What are those 2 meetings? Initially, one meeting will be conducted in the early morning. Early morning is nothing but starting of the company. Means if the company will start at 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock itself they will take the time of 15 minutes, okay, at least 15 minutes, okay, what they will discuss at that point of time. Means in 15 minutes they will decide that what is the planning of today, how much work we have to complete by this today, and what are the difficulties you faced in yesterday's work, okay, what are the things has keep it pending. Means the target will be there, right? Every day you have to reach this target, okay. Means if you are not going to reach the target, means it will going into the pending part, right?
Yeah.
That pending work has called here backlog. Backlog, BACK, backlog. Okay, just keep in mind why I am stressing on the words. These are the technical terms. Okay,
Yeah.
the pending work is called as backlog. Okay, the terminology, the pending work in Agile methodology is called as backlog. Okay, means they will decide that what are the pending work will available, what are the backlogs will available, means has not completed yesterday, and what is the planning of today. Okay, what are the difficulties you faced yesterday. Okay, means what are the solutions we have to take to avoid that situation or to avoid that particular difficulties. Okay, they will discuss all those things within that 15 minutes, and they will decide that what is the planning of today. After that, they will go to their works and they will do the work. After completion of the work, at the end of the day, again they will they will combine at one place, and after that they will conduct another meeting. Okay, 15 minutes again. They will review that. Okay, what the work we did today. Okay, what are the difficulties we faced? How much work has completed? How much work has pending? Okay, what are the tomorrow's plans, what we have to do tomorrow, and what we did today. They will analyze the things on day by day basis, and after that they are going for further implementation. This is the internal process which going in the Agile process in every day, daily basis. On daily basis they are going to do this.